Okay, friends, are you ready to make some faux candy with me? Yay! Hey, everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy. If you didn't know, and if you did, thanks again for coming back. All right, so we're going to start with some earplugs. I know it sounds crazy, and I'm going to cut them down. Don't be afraid. They are going to squish down, but they're going to go back to shape. Now, I tried doing it this way and it didn't work. So I'm just going to tell you right now, use tweezers and I'm painting them. I'm using some um, chalk paint, but you could use other paints if you wanted. And then I didn't paint all of them. And then I used some Mod Podge and I have some glitter that I got from Michaels. It's just a white glitter and I roll the earplug around and look at how cute. They're little tiny gumdrops. What? How much fun are these? Stop. All right. Next, I have some roving. I have pink and green, and I'm just going to kind of spread it out a little bit. I'm going to take this paper straw, put some glue on it, and then start twisting my roving. It's just felt. It's just felted wool. That's all it is. And we're going to just keep adding to it. We want to make that roving really wispy, right? You want it to be, you don't want it to be clumpy. I keep adding some more glue and then I just keep rolling it around. Look, stop it. It's cotton candy. I cut the end, but look, stop. I did one in green too. Stop. I love it, right? All right, next we're going to do some little candies. I have some cellophane. I also have some tissue paper, and then in the tissue paper package came these the silver one, and all I did was put a wood bead inside it, put a little glue so it stayed put, and then twisted the ends. I used little twist ties on the ends and trim the ends if you want, but stop. It's a little candy. I did the same thing here with, it's just a little wood bead that was painted white. I think I got it off a garland, and then just twist the ends. I didn't even put any of the twist ties on it. Stop. Another cute little candy. Seriously. All right, and this one was with a pom-pom, and I used just cellophane that I got at Dollar Tree. You could use any plastic, I would assume. And I twist the ends, use a leather, same twist ties that I used before, use a twist tie, do both ends, and stop it. Look at the, it looks like a little gumball. I love it. It's so cute. Next, we're going to use some air dry clay, and I'm going to kind of roll it out. I did red and white. Then I'm going to roll them together, kind of swirl them. And then we're going to make some lollipops. So what we're going to do is kind of just start rolling it on itself. See how we did this? I did all different ones. I did ones that were pink. I did swirly, all sorts of ones. But see how I'm just, and you just roll it to as big as you want it. I did take a bamboo skewer to put on the inside. So I just kind of put that in there and kind of moved the air dry clay a little bit. But how cute. Then I took that same cellophane, wrapped it around it, used not a zip tie, a twist tie. And that was it. And look at how cute. Trim the ends if you want, but now I'm going to use the same red and white. I'm going to put two together, and now I'm going to kind of roll them a little bit. Now we're going to twist. Just twist a little bit. How much fun. Do you know what I'm going to make? We're going to make a candy cane. Look at how cute. Just make it into the shape of a candy cane, and that's it. Now look how much fun. These are all the little candies on my little naughty nice little elf feet thing. Stop. They were so much fun to make, and it doesn't have to be at Christmas only. These little candies could embellish anything. Oh, the sky's the limit, friends. Anyways, friends, thanks so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you.